May I know, are you a student?
No, I'm working.
You look
Yeah,
like a
I'm
student.
working. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
You're joking.
No, 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 no. I thought you're just a college student.
I'm done studying for almost 10 years. Yeah, I finished my college degree way back 2015 of April. Actually, I'm a teacher for
Ooh,
almost 10
nice.
years.
Ooh,
Yeah,
nice.
I'm so shy to share it. Yeah,
No,
but
don't be shy. Don't be shy. What made you join episode then?
first of all, I was just bored while browsing my TikTok, and this here is a person who is saying that episode is so good, it will practice your English. So then I download it and I join it because as a teacher for 10 months you do a lot of talking, and then suddenly 2 months of vacation with no one to talk to. And along the way I realized that joining here will help me to practice my English. By the time that I discovered this episode, then I
Mm.
want to share this to my students also because not all of them are very confident in speaking in English because we have that culture that once you speak in English, they will judge you. But in this kind of platform, they will be urged to speak in English confidently. Yeah.